Hello guys and welcome to Engineering Key Tutorials. So in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with overhang beam in the FE exam. Let's draw the problem. We have here overhang beam like this. Here we have support, hinge, and here we have a roller, whatever. Here we have load with value 5 unit, and here we have load with value 4 unit, and here we have load with value 3, and here we have a load with value 2, and the dimensions is 4 unit, 2 unit, and 3 unit, and 4 unit, and 3 unit. In this problem, the required is find the reaction at support A, and here we have a support B. In this kind of problems, I prefer to take the superposition approach, which help you to solve the all problem only using the calculator. You don't have to use the pen. How we can do this? At the first, I would like to show you the method for any overhang beam like this, and here in this case, let's forget the inside loads or the concentrated loads 2 and 3 inside the beam. Let's take the 4 and 5. Here we have 5 unit load, and here we have a 4 unit load. Let's also deal with this support as free side with no support. Let's assume it's free side. Let's imagine this problem is seesaw, just seesaw game or balance. We need here load, which is balancing these loads. So we need load, make moment about this point, same the load due to same the moment at this point due to the load 4 and 5. So we have here moment, which is 4 times 2 plus 5 times 6, which is 38. We have here moment with value 38 unit of moment. So we need here another value of moment to balance this moment. So take this moment and divide it by the distance from this support to this required load, which is 38 divided by 10. 3 plus 3 plus 4, which is 10. Divided answer divided by 10 equals to 3.8. So we need here unit load equals 3.8 for this case without this load and this load. Then, so if in the exam or in the problem gives you loads only on the cantilever, so it's so easy. Get the moment about this point due to these loads, then we need another opposite moment here, then take this moment and divide it by the distance from this support to this point, which is what reaction we need here. So after divided by this distance, so we have a reaction in this direction with this value, and how we can deal with this support if he asking about the reaction here also. Just summation Fy equals 0. So takes 5 plus 4 plus 3.8 equals the reaction at point P. It's so easy. This is for the case here we take the superposition approach. So don't forget these loads, the 2 and 3. How can we deal with it? He need the reaction here. So also with calculator, 3 takes moment at B, which is 3 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, which is sorry about point B. So 4 plus 3, which is only 7, which is here what? 23. Then divide this 23 to the 10. Also the distance from the required reaction to the what to which point we take the moment around it. Okay, 2 divided by 10 equals 2.3. So we have here 2.3 in this direction and 3.8 in this direction. So we have here 2.3 in this direction and 3.8 in this direction, which is 3.8 minus 2.3 equals to 1.5. So summation, so the required reaction here is 1.5 unit force. Let's solve it again. Only let's show you how it's take only using the calculator without any writing. Let's say again, this is the example or the problem. He wants the reaction here at support A. What we can do, forget 2 and 3 inside the beam. Let's take this 5 and 4. So 4 times 2 plus 5 times 6 equals 38. 38 divided by this distance, which is 10, which is equals to 3.8. So we have here in this direction 3.8 unit force. Okay, then we have a 2 and 3. So take moment, we need this reaction, take moment around the point P. So 3 times 3 plus 2 times 7, which is equals to 23 divided by the same distance, which is 10, equals to 0.3. So we have here 3.8 in this direction, and in this direction we have 2.3. So summation equals to 1.5 in this direction. So we get the we got the reactions in just seconds using only the calculator. You don't have to use any calculation, only using calculator. Don't wasting your time in the exam. And that's it. I hope it's helpful method for you. Don't forget, if you like this method, don't forget like and subscribe in channel.